your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. A windy night ahead, a southeast wind 15 to 25 miles per hour. That will bring in some warmer air as we head into the overnight hours. It stays windy here through the morning hours. As we get into the later part of the afternoon, that wind dies down, and during the evening hours and into tomorrow, that wind will become light. Now, as for that gusty wind, it comes with a warm front in advance of the approaching cold front out to the west. That warm front will move through eastern Iowa during the morning hours here tomorrow. Temperatures will be rising throughout the overnight, so first thing tomorrow morning we're talking temperatures in the mid-30s. A couple of light showers are a possibility as this cold front approaches as we get into the afternoon hours, and eventually this moves towards the north and east and will dry out as we get to the evening hours and into the overnight here for Thursday night. Friday morning will be a mostly cloudy to cloudy sky and dry even into the early part of the afternoon hours. Then things start to get a little bit more interesting as we have an area of low pressure that will bring some moisture northward. We have an area of high pressure to the north, and that pulls in some colder air. So that will interact across portions of eastern Iowa with a wintry mix. We've got some rain in our southeastern counties here. Could be a little sleet and freezing rain, and eventually farther to the north it will be in the form of some snow. That will continue into the evening hours. Then it changes over to all snow, and there could be some locally heavier snow bands with that as a possibility during the overnight hours. We'll have to keep a close eye on the track on this area of low pressure and how much dry air gets pushed in with this high. There'll be a sharp edge on the cutoff when it comes to the amount of snow from northwest to southeast. And then farther to the south and east, that low will track to the north and east, dry out just a little bit in the morning here on Saturday. And now what happens with this area of snow to the south and west will have an impact with that area of high pressure to the north. Will this win out, keep the snow to the south, or will this push a little farther to the north and this snow moves back into the picture? That's still yet to be determined at this point, something we'll continue to track as we head through the next couple of days. So a few inches of snow at least across portions of eastern Iowa. Still iffy on the details. We'll have more information as the storm gets a little bit closer, but this will be here for Friday afternoon into the day on Saturday. Here are the temperatures for tonight. Warming by sunrise will be in the mid-30s, and it'll be windy with more and more clouds. During the day tomorrow, 43 north, 52 in the south. A little bit of light rain, maybe a little drizzle, but it will be a windy day. Here's your city-by-city forecast. Sort of a weather whiplash here as we get into the 20s for highs on Saturday after the storm system passes by. Again, a little messy around here, so if you have travel plans, stay up to date on the forecast. Cloudy sky on Sunday, same thing on Monday, temperatures in the 20s and 30s, some more unsettled weather as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday.